tapos
Hi, Mia. Is anyone sitting here?
Hi, Toby. No, sit down. I'll move my bag.
Thanks. Are you okay? You look a bit anxious.
I've got a job interview in 20 minutes.
Oh, I won't chat then. I promise.
It's okay. I'm going to leave soon anyway. I need to walk to Hilltop Road. Is it far?
Not really. It'll take about 10 minutes.
Oh no! Look at that rain. I'm going to get wet.
I'll lend you my umbrella.
It's okay. I'll call a taxi.
There isn't time for that. Here, take it.
Thanks. I'll give it back later. Where will you be?
I'll wait here for you. Good luck.
Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. So you read and listen to the dialogue. Okay. So what do you think the dialogue are talking about? What is the topic of the dialogue?
Think about the Mia. Mia is talk about the like mm, go go to the hilltop road, and then it will be rain, and Toby lend the umbrella.
Okay. Mia and Toby has a conversation. Okay. So we have here Tono, me, the use of will and going to. Both of these be verb are considered as future. So it's not happening yet. Like I will go to the market. It's not yet happening. Okay, like you will say, you will going to the market. Okay, it's not happening too. It's for predictions. We used this. Going to when prediction is based on what we can see or what we can hear. Okay, that's going to. Okay. Will is used when prediction is based on what we know or just a guess. Again, for predictions we use going to when prediction is based on what we can see or what we can hear. Will is used when prediction is based on what we know or just a guess. Okay. For plans, we use, example, we're talking about our plans. We use going to when we have already decided what to do. Okay. You will when we are deciding what to do as we speak. 3, for offers and promises, we use will. I will phone you later. I won't forget. I will phone you later. I won't forget. So that's promises. That's offer. Oh, me, I will have a class with you tomorrow. I will not forget it. So that's a offer. That's a promise. Okay, I will go in Vietnam. That's a promise. Okay. So this is offer and promises.
Teacher,
Mm.
when will you go to Vietnam?
Oh my God. Okay. Soon, if teacher will find the money. I need to save money because going Vietnam is very hard. Oh, I really want to go there. Maybe next year. I hope I can meet you. Do you want to meet me in Vietnam?
Yes, of course.
I have to meet Tono. I have to meet you. I have to meet. Oh my God, I have so many friends. I have too many students to meet in Vietnam. Tono, you. Who else? Messi,
Me and Messi, our
Caroline.
uh-huh.
I have who else? In Vietnam, I have Kyo. Oh, Kyo is living in Da Nang. I have so many. Actually, so many. And I am so excited. That's why when I go Vietnam, I will go to Da Nang. because I know you will be there. Okay. Now, find all example of will and going to in the dialogue in just underline. Find all examples of will and going to in the dialogue.
I finished, teacher.
Okay. So I want, okay, that is the negations of I will not. Okay, another we have the world. I'll move my bag. Where is it? Okay, I want chat. Okay, this one. I'm going to leave soon anyway, correct? I will take about 10 minutes and I'm going to get wet. I will lend you my umbrella and it's okay. I'll call a taxi and thanks. I'll give it back. I'm going to get wet and I'll wait. I'll lend you my umbrella. Okay. I'll call a taxi. I'll give it back later. Okay. I'll wait here for you. So many I will and I'm going. Okay. So Ani, I hope you understand the use of I will and I'm going. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Give me one example of I'm going and give me one example of I will. Okay. You can write your answer in the chat box.
What, teacher?
Okay, give me one example of I'm going and
Uh,
give me one example of I will.
Two. I am going on vacation next July.
Okay. Okay, like I will.
What, teacher?
Okay, how about example of I will?
Um, I
Wait, Mingi
will.
ha. Mingi, wait me for a minute. Okay. So give me one sentence using I want.
Um, I will.
I will.
I will have class on Tuesday.
Okay, very good. I will have class on Thursday. Sorry, I will have class on Tuesday, teacher Ann. Okay, very good. Okay, you will have class on Tuesday. Okay, what else? And this one. Okay. So much each example of will and going to in the dialogue with rules in learn these facts. Okay. Example, the rule number C. It's letter C rules. Okay. Please check the rules. 1A, B, and C. What do you think? What rules will gonna match up with this one? Okay, excuse me, Niha, while you are answering. Okay, please answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so do you have, okay, you write your answer here. Okay, letter C, I'll move my bag. That letter C, rules.
What, teacher? What?
Okay, look at letter C. I move my bag. That's the rule in letter C. Okay. Another one is letter C. I won't chat. Okay, that is rule letter C.
Thưa chị, các bạn quay trở lại với kênh Video Lắp Bắp. Ngày hôm nay chúng ta lại tiếp tục một câu chuyện kinh dị khác nữa có tên là Giấy Bảy Ruồi. Đây là một câu chuyện người ta viết là dựa trên một bộ phim, và cái bộ phim đó thì nó cũng chưa coi nhưng mà đọc chào các bạn quay trở lại với kênh về Bác. Ngày hôm nay chúng ta sẽ không đi Malaysia, không đi Thái Lan, không đi Nhật Bản mà chúng ta sẽ đi Mỹ. Ngày hôm nay tôi sẽ kể cho các bạn nghe hai câu chuyện truyền thuyết đô thị của Mỹ. Câu chuyện đầu tiên có tên là Tom bị lột da, là một câu chuyện đô thị đáng sợ từ sống thiên Hoa Kỳ. Nó là một nhà gia trẻ.
I'm finished.
Okay, it's letter A on. Okay, B1. Oh, B1 going to look up B1 going to. Okay, this is A2. Oh, predictions. I'll take about 10 minutes. Okay, A1 going to look at me. Okay, I'll lend letter C. I will lend. Okay, I'll call a taxi B2. Okay, next is I'll give it back later. And next is A2, where will you be? And of course, we'll wait here for you. Okay, yay. Okay, next one. Please, who do you think will be more successful in the future? Complete, word, will, or going to? Example, okay, I'm going to start. August. Is answer. I will go to the bathroom, Niha. Please wait, teacher. Okay, just answer. Teacher will go to the bathroom downstairs. La, 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 la. Okay, done? Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Mm.
I finished, teacher.
Okay. So we have here. Are you going to? We're going to study. Will be going to. Will be going. Okay, I'm not going to do. Will get. Okay. What's this? We're going to start. Will be a millionaire. And today it is going to. It won't be because me. There's the word not be. Okay. Please take note of the phrases, the close and open parentheses. Okay. Okay, so Ringi, Teacher Anne has a class in a few minutes. Okay. Now me, please write your own Okay. Your own notes about your own future. Okay. A job will probably be same in the future. Okay. A job will definitely never do. Okay. Please tell me about your dream in the future. Okay. Like you will say, I'm going to take my university. I will become a nurse. I will become a doctor. Okay. Give me 4 sentences using going to and will. Okay. You write here. After this, teacher will leave because I have another class. You came home late. I mean, you went on the Zoom late and teacher is waiting.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I think when I finished the university, I want to become a doctor because I want to look after the patients and know more for the knowledge. Wow, very good. Why do you want to be a doctor, Ni? Why?
Because I want to look after the patients and the doctor should know their English and like knowledge.
Okay, so you want to be a doctor. Okay, so how about can after okay, so okay. Yes. Okay, Ni, sorry, teacher N has another class, okay? And then I will just add more time for you tomorrow because you get in the Zoom very late, okay? So teacher will add 10 minutes for you tomorrow, okay? Ni, my dear? Okay, bye-bye.